This episode is brought to you by the Financial Services School, specializing in educating insurance professionals.
We recently received a question from one of our viewers, Chris Payne. He asked, I'm a GI broker and I still sometimes find marine insurance confusing and complicated. Would love a video on that. Incoterms, clauses, ex-works, FOB, floor to floor, CIF plus 10%, marine insurance has too much jargon for my liking. Marine can be difficult to sell to a client because their head is spinning from all the jargon. Great question, but before we get right into Incoterms and what they mean, let's start with marine insurance and what that actually is. One of the most common misconceptions is that marine insurance is just about boats. Now this isn't totally correct, as rather marine insurance covers, amongst other things, the transportation of goods and cargo by any means, including land and air. Now this is one of the oldest forms of insurance, which is likely why it was named marine, as when it was first developed, the primary form of transportation of goods was via the sea. Now, as these policies have evolved over the years, so too has the jargon. Let's explain. As cargo can travel from one side of the world to the other, it is important that all parties understand and agree who is at risk and at what point in time the risk transfers from the buyer to the seller. To avoid conflict, there is a universal set of terms that govern the contracts of sale between most international buyers and sellers. And these were named, you can guess it,
International Commercial terms?
Or Incoterms for short. Now these Incoterms are a series of predefined commercial terms published by the International Chamber of Commerce. The most recent update was in 2010. You can download a copy of the terms from a link below. But better or worse, these terms have been abbreviated over time and are well known to those who deal with them on a daily basis. However, for those of us outside the industry, they're in real need of demystification, but that's a topic for next time. Click here for another video we did, give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful, comment with more stuff you want to know about, and for more demystified insurance jargon, click that subscribe button.